And I just wanted to show you a really quick way to give audio feedback to your students. So when they have a submission that's created in Schoology, you can click on their submission and it will pop open this window. And instead of giving you a option to type a comment, you can go in here and click on audio video recording. And it's super quick and easy. You don't have to do the video. You can just do audio only. And then you will allow your mic to be working, and then you can start recording. So North student, I really enjoyed this piece that you wrote. I'd like you to go back and revise based on spelling and grammar. If you could do that, I would appreciate it. Take care. Then you can play it back. So North student, I really enjoyed this piece that you wrote. I'd like you to go back and revise based on spelling and grammar. If you could. Okay, then I'm going to insert the recording, and then it will be over here, and I can post that to the student. From the student side, then from the student side, I'm over here in my student account. I can see the audio recording, click on it, from the student perspective, and then they are able to listen to that from their download.